Hello math learners! In this video, we will learn together how to find a solution of linear equations. So, this is the question. In this video, I will do the question on the left part and your task is doing the question on the right part. Here, I will show you how to find the solution by using some different methods. You may pick the method you prefer to use. Okay, let's start. Okay, first, I'm going to show you how to find a solution for question A. Okay, we have x plus 8 is equal to 15. So we may think, what number plus 8 is equal to 15? So we may pick 7, right? So 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. It means x is equal to 7. Okay, that's the first method. Or we may use this way. X plus 8 is equal to 15. Okay, the goal is we want to find the value of x. That's why we have to get rid of number 8 here. So to get rid of number 8, we may do the opposite operation as this way, because this one is addition, so the opposite operation is subtraction. It's okay if we write this way, minus 8, and then we have to do the same way on the other side of equation. So it's also minus 8. And then if we do this operation, so 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, right? So here we only need to write x, and then it's equal to 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So we get the same answer, right? So x is equal to 7. Or we may use this way, x plus 8 is equal to 15. It's still the same. We want to find the value of x. That's why we have to get rid number 8 here. So we use the opposite operation. So x plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 15 minus 8. So we do the same operation on both sides. So we do minus 8 on both sides. So here we know that 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, right? It's okay if you don't write the 0. So we only need to write x is equal to 15 minus 8. So it's equal to 7. Or we may use this way. X plus 8 is equal to 15. Okay, now we have to change this number plus 8 to the other side of operation. So we have to change 8 to the right side, to the right-hand side of equations by changing the sign of operation, because this one is addition. So if we move it to the other side of equation, it will be subtraction. So x is equal to 15 minus 8. So x is equal to 7. Okay, so here I give you 4 different ways to find the solution of linear equation. So you may pick the easier method. Now your turn is find the solution of the question B. You may pause this video and try to use any method that I have show you here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to find the solution of questions C. So x minus 5 is equal to 17. So if we use the first method I showed you before, so we have to think what number minus 5 is equal to 17. Of course, if we pick 22, so 22 minus 5 is equal to 17, right? It means x is equal to 22. Or we may use this way, x minus 5 is equal to 17 because our goal is find the value of x. That's why we have to get rid of negative 5 here by adding both sides by positive 5. Okay, sorry. So here, negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0, right? So we only need to write x here. So it's equal to 17 plus 5. 17 plus 5 is equal to 22. It's the same, right? And then the third way, we may use this way. So our goal to find x, that's why we have to get rid of negative 5 here. So we have to add both sides by positive 5. So x minus 5, it's okay if we write the original equation first and then add 5 on both sides like this. So negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So it's okay if we only write x here and then we add these numbers. 17 plus 5 is equal to 22. That's the third method. And then the fourth method is this one. Okay, we have to get rid of negative 5 here by change this number to the right hand side of equations by changing the sign, of course, because this one is subtraction, so it will be addition. So x is equal to 17 and then plus 5. So x is equal to 22. Okay, so that's how to find the solution of question C. Now your turn. Find the solution of question D. You may pause this video and then pick the method you want to find the solution of question D. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to find solution of question E. We have for x is equal to negative 28. Okay, so we may think what number times 4, like 4 times what number here is equal to negative 28. We know that 4 times 7 is equal to 28, right? So we may pick negative number here. So 4 times negative 7 is equal to negative 28. It means the value of x is negative 7. Okay, and then the second method, for x is equal to negative 28. because our goal is finding the value of x. That's why we have to make this one into x only by dividing 4x by 4. So 4x divided by 4. Because we divide the left-hand side by 4, so we have to do the same on the right-hand side. So we have to divide negative 28 by 4 also. Okay, 4x divided by 4 is equal to 1x, right? 1x is the same as x. So x is equal to negative 28 divided by 4. So we have negative 7. Okay, and then the third method is 4x is equal to negative 28. Actually, it's the same as the second method, but we only skip to write this one because our goal is find the value of x. So write x here. And then because 4x means 4 times x, so we need to change this number into the right-hand side of equations because the operation here on the left-hand side is multiplication or times. So when we change 4 to the right-hand side of equation, so it will be the opposite operation. It is division. So negative 28 divided by 4. So x is equal to negative 7. Okay, for question E, I provide you with 3 different methods. So you may pick the method you want to solve to find the solution of question F. So you may pause this video while you do the question. Okay, now I will show you how to find the solution of question G. We have 3x minus 4 is equal to 11. So we may think 3 times what number and then minus 4 is equal to 11. Okay, let's say we pick 15 because 15 minus 4 is equal to 11, right? So 3 times what number is equal to 15? So we may write 5 here because 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So here actually we have 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. So it's correct, right? It means x is equal to 5. Let me change this one so it will be easier to read. Okay, here, so it means x is equal to 5. Then the second method, 3x minus 4 is equal to 11. Okay, the first step, we have to get rid this number by adding by 4, right? So if we add by 4, we have to do the same on the right-hand side. So we add 4 here. So we know that negative 4 plus 4 is equal to 0, right? So it's okay if we don't write the 0 here. So we only need to rewrite 3x. So it's equal to 11 plus 4. So it's 15. And then the next step, we have to find the value of x, because here we still have 3x. So we need to divide both sides by 3. Because when we divide 3x by 3, we will find 1x, right? We will get 1x. 1x means x. So it's also divided by 3, because we divide the left-hand side by 3, so we have to do the same on the right-hand side. So here we have 1x, or x. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. And then the next one, 3x minus 4 is equal to 11. Okay, the first step, we have to change this number into the right-hand side of equations by changing the sign into the opposite operations. Because here we have subtraction, minus 4, so it will be plus 4 when we change into the other side. So here we only need to write 3x is equal to 11, and then minus 4 becomes plus 4. So 3x is equal to 11 plus 4 is 15, right? And then we have to find the value of x by changing this number into the right-hand side of equations. Because 3x means 3 times x, it means if we change 3 to the right-hand side of the equation, it will be division. So x is equal to 15 divided by 3. So x is equal to 5. Okay, so these are the ways how to find solution of question G. So now you may pause the video while you find the solution for question 8. You may pick the way you prefer to use. Okay, now the last one. I will show you how to find the question, how to find the solution of question I. So we have 12 minus 7x is equal to 6. So we have to think 12 minus 7 times what number is equal to 6. Let's say we pick 1. So 7 times 1 is equal to 7, right? So we have 12 minus 7, so it's 5. It's less than 6. It means the number in the bracket must be less than 1. Let's say we pick fraction, so we may write 6 over 7, because 7 times 6 over 7 is equal to 6. But how? If you find it difficult to multiply whole number by fractions, so just change this whole number into fraction by dividing this number by 1, because 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. So the value remains the same. And then to calculate, it's okay if you multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So we have 7 times 6 is equal to 42, and 1 times 7 is equal to 7. So we have 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. Or if you want to calculate faster, just divide 7 by 7. We know that 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1, right? Or we just do the cancellation method. So we only need to count 6 divided by 1. So it's equal to 6. It's passive, right? And then because we know that 7 times 6 over 7 is equal to 6. So we have 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. It means 6 over 7 satisfies this equation because we get the right value here, 6. It means x is equal to 6 over 7. That's the value of x. Then now I'll show you how to find the solution by using the second method. So here we have to get rid of this number by subtracting by 12. Because 12 minus 12 is equal to 0, right? And then because we subtract the left-hand side by negative 12, so we have to do the same on the right side. So here we have 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. It's okay if we don't write the 0 here. We only need to write negative 7x is equal to 6 minus 12. So it's equal to negative 6. And then we have to get rid this number by divide negative 7x by negative 7. Just divide by this number. So negative 7x divided by negative 7, it's equal to, okay, we have to do the same way because we divide the left-hand side by negative 7. We have to do the same on the right-hand side. So negative 6 divided by negative 7. So here we have 1x because negative 7 divided by negative 7 is equal to 1. So we have 1x. 1x is equal to x. So x is equal to, okay, negative 6 divided by negative 7. Negative divided by negative is equal to positive. So just get rid of the negative sign. So here we have 6 divided by 7. And then the third method will be 12 minus 7x is equal to 6. So here we have to get rid this number by change this one to the right hand side of equation because here the operation here is subtraction, right? Actually here we have like positive, but of course we don't need to write it because it's on the first place on the of the equations. Because this one is like add by 12, it means if we change it to the right hand side of equation, so it will be minus. So write negative 7x here equals to 6 and then minus 12. So negative 7x is equal to 6 minus 12 is equal to negative 6. And then the next step, we have to get rid this number by changing to the right hand side of equation because negative 7x, it means negative 7 times x. The operation is multiplication or times. It means if we change negative 7 to the right hand side of equation, it will be the opposite operation. It is division. So x is equal to negative 6 divided by negative 7. Okay, we know that negative number divided by negative number is equal to positive number, right? It means x is equal to 6 over 7. Okay, so the solution of question I, x is equal to 6 over 7. Okay, now your turn. You have to find a solution of question J by pick the method you prefer to use here. I provide you 3 different methods. You may pause this video while doing this question. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you find this video useful for you. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.